Hey everybody, Arglefump here, playing Phoenix Wright, Ace Attorney, Spirit of Justice. I'm trying to find some sort of contradiction here. I think the contradiction is the timeline. The timeline, like, she says, hey, this was happening around 3 o'clock. However, the phone call and things he heard did not happen at 3 o'clock. Those happened at 4 o'clock, so, not 4 o'clock. Those clearly happened at 2 o'clock, according to our friend, the court record. Let me just pull that up here. At around 2 o'clock, all this stuff happened. So I'm gonna say, hey, this sound is contradictory here. Objection! And it in fact contradicts her statement about 3 o'clock, and Apollo is disagreeing with me. Okay, fine. Whatever, Apollo. Okay, let's just skip through the scene of Apollo getting yelled at, because we've seen this before. Alright, so maybe we should check some of the final statements, not the one about 3 o'clock. Took a call, he was stabbed in the back, the true source of the loud bang, and the final laugh belonged to Dats. Well, let's skip to the end here, if we've got those statements there. Does that seem to contradict anything? Because the bang could have been the gun. I don't know. Let's go with that final state. I mean, let's go with the statement about the bang. Let's go with the explosion here. See if that maybe contradicts something. Objection! As a random guess, Apollo's probably gonna get slapped down for this. Then I'll try the contradiction, see if the laugh is at all contradictory to anything. You know, we got these new statements. Might as well at least try to see if these new statements contradict anything. And there's really nothing they can contradict. I mean, they can't contradict anything at any point in this testimony until, like, the very end. Because this is the point in the testimony where the laughter shows up. So, I mean, the statement about the laughter has to be related to the laughter. And now we're just gonna zoom here. Game saves before I die. I've heard enough. This trial need not be drawn out any longer. Regarding the murder of Inga and the assassination of Queen Amara, which we haven't even gotten to. Oh, we'll get to the assassination. Don't you worry. Maybe. I'm gonna try again. Maybe this time I'll have an insight, or, you know, where you can ask your partner for help because you're really bad. There we go, there it goes. Looks like we've got one of those things on the bottom screen. A consultation. Yeah, I could use some help, Phoenix. We know the explosion was the firecracker. Oh, but I already tried that. That was the first thing I did. I don't know. I guess we'll try the firecracker. On the Phoenix was talking about the firecracker. Have to watch this animation again. Okay. Come on, come on. Just waiting for explosion to show up on the screen. So I'm really gonna try, I'll try this again. The 3 p.m. thing, I'm gonna try that. Objection! And it looks like it might be okay, so it is working. I don't know why it didn't work the first time with my first contradiction about the time, but whatever. Whatever. I stand with my original argument that, hey, these events took place like an hour apart. So the murder definitely took place about 2 o'clock. Long before Dhurke entered the scene of the crime. Okay, so what evidence? Well, that would be the thing I showed you all. The statement from Albi. Uh-oh. Queen is angry. Okay. So we've confirmed what the time of death was. But then this leads us to ask, why is a bloody Dhurke standing around? Because Dhurke didn't show up until an hour later. Yes, you are mistaken, Your Majesty. Yeah, that face is not clear. I mean, that eye patch is pretty distinctive, though. But clearly, somebody framed Dhurke. They totally framed Dhurke. And 2 o'clock is, in fact, when Mom was performing the rite of channeling. Yep, crime scene was totally left open. Yep, somebody disguised as the defendant. It's the only good explanation. Now, of course, this kind of throws apart our earlier theory about Naina being somehow involved in this. We thought Naina stabbed the victim at 2:30, but whatever. Let's just ignore that and go with this one. This is a much better theory. Well, our killer openly appeared before Inga in order to frame Dhurke. What? Killer knew their face wouldn't be seen. What are you even talking about, Phoenix? Is this like some sort of rule we haven't heard of? Okay, this is a rule we haven't heard of. So let's end the video here, go into it in the next video.